Feeling stuck with your content? You're posting regularly, using hashtags, following trends, but your videos still get skipped? Here's the truth. Most people scroll in seconds. What actually stops them? Short, unexpected, eye-catching content. And nothing does that better right now than those baby-talking videos flooding TikTok and Reels. That's where BabyFace comes in. It's an AI tool that turns any face into a talking baby, complete with face swapping, voice cloning, lip sync, and animated actions. Just upload a photo, type your script, and boom! Your video is ready in minutes. No filming, no editing, no experience needed. Ultra-realistic baby avatars. Supports 100+ languages, commercial license included. Optimized for Reels, Shorts, TikTok, Facebook. Works on any device, no app to install and create videos in under 5 minutes. I thought BabyFace was just a gimmick, until I used it. Now I'm creating viral clips faster than ever for myself and for clients. If you're ready to create content people actually watch and share, try BabyFace today. You're backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. Click the link and start making baby videos that blow up your feed.